Hey guys, today I will show you how to achieve slow motion like this one in CapCut. Let's first see the original video. You can make the video faster or slower by adjust times or duration value. But that applies to the whole video. To just make the jump slow, we could click the curve tab and find the one you like to apply. I personally find it easier to use shortcut. Let's find the starting and ending points and hit Shift B to insert a customized curve point. Then you can drag these points as you like to make the part of video slower or faster. Let's see the result. That's it for today. See you next time.